Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import and export contact lists on your Wix website. Managing your contacts efficiently is essential for any business, and Wix makes this process straightforward whether you're bringing in existing contacts or backing up your current list. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading to the Wix website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Click on Customers and Leads, and you'll see an expanded menu appear with several options. From this expanded menu, select Contacts. This will take you to the main contacts management area where all your customer information lives. Now that you're on the contacts page, look for the Import Contacts button and click on it. You'll be directed to the Import Contacts screen where Wix gives you a couple of options for bringing in your contacts. You can choose to import via CSV file or directly from your Gmail account. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the CSV process as it's the most common method and gives you complete control over your data. Under the CSV file option, click on the Get Started button to proceed. From here, you'll be presented with a four-phase process that guides you through importing your contacts seamlessly. Wix strongly suggests downloading their CSV template file first, which ensures your data is formatted correctly and will import without issues. This template shows you exactly which columns you need and how to organize your contact information. Once you've downloaded the template and prepared your CSV file with all your contact details, click on Next to move forward. Now you'll need to select the file you wish to upload. Click on the plus button and a file browser window will open. Locate the CSV file where your contacts are stored on your computer and select it. Once you've found the right file, click on Open to add it to the import process. After the file is added, you'll see an option to mark these contacts as either email or SMS subscribers by clicking on the checkboxes beside them. This step is important because it sets the permissions for how you can communicate with these contacts going forward. Once you've made your selections, click Next. You'll now be directed to the matching phase, which is crucial for ensuring your data imports correctly. From here, check the preview header and carefully review how Wix has interpreted your columns. For each column in your CSV file, select the correct corresponding header from the Contact Fields drop-down menu. This mapping tells Wix exactly where each piece of information should go, whether it's first name, last name, email address, or phone number. Take your time here to make sure everything is matched correctly, then click Next. On the next page, you have the option to add a tag for these contacts. Tags are incredibly useful for organizing and segmenting your contact list later on. You might want to tag them based on where they came from, what campaign they're associated with, or any other category that makes sense for your business. Once you've added any tags you want, click on Import and Wix will begin processing your contact list. Depending on how many contacts you're importing, this might take a moment, so be patient while the system works through your file. Now let's cover how to export contacts, which is just as important for backing up your data or sharing it with other platforms. Head back to the main contacts page and you'll notice your complete contact list displayed on the bottom part of the page. Select the specific contacts you wish to export by clicking on the checkbox beside each name. You can select individual contacts or use the checkbox at the top to select all of them at once. Once you've made your selections, you'll notice an export button appear on the top header. Click on it. A small export window will appear asking which type of file format you want for these contacts. You can typically choose between CSV or other formats depending on what you need the file for. Make your selection and Wix will prepare your export file for download. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to both import and export contact lists on your Wix website, giving you complete control over your customer data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.